There is one smart ways of making money on the internet that I just told on about, and the particular way made me this particular 102 USDT right here just by trading cryptocurrency with normal strategy that I'm using right here. Okay, so take a look at this particular Solana right here. So all these my method I literally stumbled about. So the particular method is all about Solana, and here is the Solana right now that I'm using for network fees for all the particular trade that I'm trading from one cryptocurrency to another. So at this particular point right now in this video, you just have to go ahead and subscribe so that I can literally get started and show you all the method that you too can also use the particular method to make this same amount of USDT right here. Let me refresh it. I'm refreshing it right now on your screen right here. Everything right here is literally real. So in this particular trust wallet right here, you just have to have USDT. Let me say, just have to have 50 USDT for this. Yes, because I've been using this particular method for a while, so I just want to test it out and let you guys know right here on YouTube. Now just go straight and register an account on this particular L Bank crypto exchange right here. So make sure you verify your accounts right here. If you have verified your account right now on your L Bank, make your account verified just like this. Just come straight to trade right here, search for this specific cryptocurrency right now. This particular XFX is a cryptocurrency that we'll be using, and using it, we'll also be using Solana as the network. Now just go ahead and purchase it with your USDT that you already have right here on your L Bank with 100 USDT. You'll be getting this particular amount of XCF token right here. So now take note of this, that yes, I'm just simulating this particular method for you to literally understand how to navigate all this. This is not literally real trade, so I'm just simulating everything for you guys to literally understand the method before I literally go ahead and do it with real funds. But before then, listen and listen carefully with this actually a disclaimer that I'm not responsible for your losses or your gain right here. So this particular tutorial is just for educational purpose, not a financial advice, because I'm not responsible for your loss or your profit right here. Cryptocurrency is volatile, going up and down, so there's losses, there's gain. Now just go straight to this particular accept, click on withdraw. Let's just assume, or probably we are simulating things right here. It's crypto. You just have to also simulate this before you go ahead with refunds. Now go ahead and search for the particular crypto, which is SCF right here. Take a look at it right now. Go ahead and click on chain, withdraw all the particular cryptocurrency that you literally buy right here through this particular network, which is Solana, and you will be charged as this particular network fees just like this. Okay, so good. Just go ahead to this particular crypto exchange, which is Gate. I so much like this particular Gate.io because a lot of opportunity are also available right here. If you are watching me for a while, you will be noticing that yes, I always use Gate.io. Okay, so make sure you sign up an account right here, verify your account real quick, and then go ahead and click on spot trading. So just go straight and search for the particular cryptocurrency again, which is SFX. Now take a look at the price that it is selling right here. Go ahead and click on sell, and then just go straight and select all the particular crypto that you buy in the other crypto exchanger. But before then, listen carefully. Go ahead and click on accept right here. Then go ahead and click on deposit. So if you're on this deposit, click on chain deposit right here. So when you're on this particular on-chain deposit, search for the particular cryptocurrency right here, which is SCF. So you just have to go ahead and select all the particular SCF token that you purchase right here. Okay, so this is the particular FCF token right here, and they will be giving us this particular total amount of USDT right here. You have 68 USDT right here from this particular simple method. So let's say if you do this 2 to 3 times a day, you'll be getting enough amount of USDT out of this. So now just go ahead and give this video a like. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel for more content just like this. So if you follow this step, you get to this particular stage, you will make some amount of profit from it. That is how I literally accumulate enough USDT on this my trust wallet right here. Okay, so take a look at it. I also still refresh it again for you guys to literally know everything I'm doing right here is literally real, and I literally been doing this for a very long time right now. So I will literally end this video right here. I'll see you in my next video. If you are wondering how I'm getting this particular cryptocurrency that have price differences in different cryptocurrency exchanger, head over to this particular arbitrage scanner right here. So just go ahead and sign up an account and make sure you literally click on this particular place right here. Then just go ahead and go for any plan of your choice right here. Okay, so just go for any plan of your choice right now, go for it, and then you have the full opportunity to literally go ahead and spot cryptocurrency just by clicking on arbitrage products right here. Okay, so take a look at it, then click on arbitrage screener. Okay, so you will see right now all the cryptocurrency arbitrage will display right here. All those one right now, they are stable coin. So if you want to change this, click on template, then go ahead and click on top 30 or top 300 coins right here. You will see right now all the particular cryptocurrency in all the particular crypto exchanger will be available. So if you want everything to be reloading or to be searching for any opportunity in every 30 seconds, you can leave it here. So every 15 seconds, you can also leave it there. So now every 10 seconds. Also, you can also leave it at the 10 seconds. So this way you can actually change the time duration right here. Take a look at it right now. A lot of cryptocurrency are available right here using that particular arbitrage scanner right now. So if you literally go ahead and buy any plan right there, you have the full opportunity to literally discover any cryptocurrency that have price indifferences into cryptocurrency exchanger. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video right here. Bye bye for now.